Creating 3D animations was not easy in the past. It required a lot of knowledge and skills. Additionally, you needed a substantial amount of money to invest in heavy software and tools. However, with the evolution of AI tools, it is now easy to create 3D animations. In today's video, I will share an AI website for creating 3D animations. You can also generate a short script for any type of video just by inputting the keywords. Furthermore, this website allows you to add audio in different languages. In this video, we will take an overview of the website by exploring all its features one by one. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from my channel. So, without further delay, let's get started. Crikey AI is a 3D animation website that enables you to create animation videos in just a few clicks. It offers various options, such as text to animation and video to animation. You can also use pre-made characters or upload your images to convert them into 3D characters. Its free plan provides you with 34 credits for testing, while its standard plan costs $15 per month. Let's test its free plan. Click on the Sign Up button, check this box, and sign up with your Gmail account. Here we have an account with 34 credits. First, we will create the characters. Scroll down to the bottom and click on this Ready Player Maker. Choose the body type. Let's go with masculine. You can also upload your own character here. Click on this Continue Without Photo option. Pick any avatar. Click on the Next button and wait for the character to load. Here you have multiple options to design your character, starting from skin color, different face types, choosing eyes, changing the eyebrows, different nose types, lips, mustaches, different suits, putting glasses, different masks and hats type, you can explore plenty of options to design your character. Click on the Next button. Click on this option and save your character for later use. With AI text to animation, you can create various types of animation by just typing simple text. Here you can see the pre-made examples. Let's move on to the editor of this tool, where the real work is done. Go back to the home page and click on this editor. Wait for some time for the editor to load. Here we have the editor with the editing timeline and the animation preview window at the top. We can edit our animations just like we do in any editor software, just by dragging them to make long or short videos. Also, we have different camera angles to adjust. On the left-hand side, you have plenty of options and elements to add. Let's explore them one by one. The first one is the animation library. Here we have different types of animations to add. Just click on them or drag them to the timeline. You can also merge two animations to create a zoom in and zoom out effect. There are different camera angles you can add to the animation timeline. In the Environment tab, you can add a green screen to edit it in any software by applying the chroma key. Also, you can choose the pre-made backgrounds as well. Let's choose this one. In the Lights section, you can apply different lighting, from one point to retro, and much more. Another great option is the Script section. Here you can create an entire script by just giving a little input. Let's give it a title. You can type some keywords or write a complete sentence. Then select the language. Choose a narrator if you want, and click on this Generate button. It will consume only 1 credit. Here we have our script, which looks amazing. Once ready, click on this button to convert it into audio. Now select the target. Then choose the language. accent, and gender. Click on this button to generate the audio. A separate folder is generated. Click on it to add to the timeline. Next, we have the Expressions tab, where we can choose different expressions to apply. From the Hand Gestures tab, we can apply different hand gestures to our avatar. Next, we can apply different text effects. We can apply different color filters to our animation. Here, the last option is choosing avatars. Let's choose the avatar that we have designed at the start. Our avatar is replaced now. Here is the final video we have generated so far. Once ready, click on this record button for rendering, and then you can download it to your computer. So, this was a basic overview of the tool. Are you interested in a complete animation video? Let me know in the comments. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon with more exciting stuff.